So estrogen's role in cancer. Estrogen is a hormone that causes female characteristics to develop. And the breast tissue, estrogen makes that grow. So if we have too much estrogen, it causes the breast cells to divide too fast and keep on dividing. The cell division increases the chances for mistakes that could lead to cancer. And there's 3 types of estrogen. You know, when we talk about estrogen, there's estradiol, estriol, and estriol. So the type that contributes most is estradiol. So it's not just estrogen in general. Genetics. There are beneficial lifestyle choices as well as suicidal lifestyle choices. Cells genetically equipped from birth with all necessary intelligence to function properly. Cancer needs an initiator and a promoter. When we look at genes, when we say our genes cause cancer, really it's environmental. It has to have something to start it and keep it growing, and those 2 are environmental. An example of a genetic illness would be Down syndrome, where you have 100% out of the times you have Down syndrome. But even people who have the breast cancer gene, they don't have breast cancer. There's some that are walking around with no breast cancer. But why is it that some people who have the gene get the breast cancer? It's about environmental choices and environmental things. So we're genetically programmed for health. So our cells are innately or genetically equipped from birth with all the necessary intelligence to function properly. We're meant to be in homeostasis and in balance. Your health is determined not only by your genes, after all, but also by your environment. And our genes haven't changed. The DNA evidence shows that genetically humans have hardly changed at all. To be specific, the human genome has changed less than, 0.02% in 40,000 years. And what happens if you go to a higher altitude? What does our body do? It responds by creating, we have less O2 in the air. So we produce more red blood cells in response to that lack of oxygen. So you get an environmental stimulus to the body, and the body adapts.